How to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet? First of all, let's navigate and open the Phantom Wallet app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, find the Solana coin from the list and tap to open it. Next, you can see the Solana current price, and to purchase, tap on buy at the bottom. Now select the available coins in your balance and enter the amount. It will show the quantity of Solana crypto coins equivalent to the balance you will receive. Also, you can see the provider name, current price, gas fees, and price impact. Once everything is done, tap on purchase at the bottom. You may need to verify your identity if required. Once the purchase is complete, your Solana will be added to your Phantom Wallet balance. And that's it. This is how you can buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.